Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve this nice German Maths Olympiad question. This question is a plus v is equal to 10, a v is equal to 100. We'll find out what is the value of a and v in this Maths Olympiad question. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So first of all, our first equation, it will be a plus v is equal to 10. Now at this moment you can see that here is v is equal to 10 minus a. This is our third equation. I just move on this a in this side, it will be negative. Now at this moment our second equation, it will be av is equal to 100. This is our second equation. But we know that v is equal to 10 minus a, so I put this value in this equation, so I can say a times b, it will be 10 minus a is equal to 100. Now at this moment I can say here is 10a, 10 times a, it will be 10a, a times a, it will be a squared is equal to 100. Now I can say here is 10a minus a square. I just move on this value in this side, it will be negative 100 is equal to 0. Now at this moment if I multiply both sides by minus 1, we will find out here is minus 10a minus minus, it will be positive a square minus minus, it will be positive 100 is equal to 0. So we'll find out here is a nice quadratic equation. This equation, it will be a square minus 10a plus 100 is equal to 0. This is our nice equation. Now at this moment we'll find out what is the value of a in this quadratic equation. So I can see that here is a is equal to minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4 ac over 2a. According to this law, I can see that here is a is 1, so 2 times 1, and v minus b, b is minus 10 plus minus square root v squared. I mean v, it will be minus 10 whole to the power 2 minus 4 ac, a is 1 and c is 100 over 2a. Now at this moment you can see that here is a is equal to 10 plus minus square root minus 10, power is even number, it will be positive, so I can say that it will be 100 minus, and 4 times 100 it will be 400 over 2 times 1, it will be 2. Now in this expression you can see that here is 10 plus minus square root 400 minus 100, it will be minus 300 over 2. Now at this moment you can say here is a is equal to, here is 10 plus minus square root 300. I can say that it will be 100 times 3 times minus 1 over 2. Now at this moment you can say here is 10 plus minus square root 100 times square root 3 times square root 1 over 2, square root negative 1. Now here a is equal to 10 plus minus, we know that square root 100 it will be 10, and here is square root 3, and we know that complex number square root minus 1, it will be I over 2. Now at this moment I can say here is 10 divide this 2 plus minus 10 square root 3 I over 2, and if I divide this 10 by 2, it will be 5 plus minus 5 square root 3 I. This is our value of a in this Maths Olympiad question. But interesting, here is no real solution, it is a complex solution. Now at this moment we will find out here is a is equal to 5 plus 5 square root 3i, and other solution it will be a is equal to 5 minus 5 square root 3i. This is positive, this is negative solution. So okay, but at this moment we are target what is the value of v, but recall our third equation, it will be b is equal to 10 minus a. So we'll find out here is a is equal to 5 plus 5 square root 3i, but v, our third equation, b, it will be 10 minus a. b, it will be 10 minus a. So okay, now I put this value in this expression. Here is 10 minus a is 5 plus 5 square root 3i, and b is equal to 10 minus 5 square root 3i. Now at this moment you can see here 10 plus minus, it will be minus 5, plus minus, it will be minus 5 square root 3i. Now at this moment you can see it will be 5 minus 5 square root 3i. So we'll find out here is nice solution. Here is a and v when a is equal to 5 plus 5 square root 3i. This time b is equal to 5 minus 5 square root 3i. It is an interesting math. Because of that, here is no real solution. Here is a complex solution. But v is equal to 10 minus 5 minus minus, it will be positive 5 square root 3i. Now at this moment you can see that it will be 5 plus 5 square root 3i. Now at this moment you can see that here is when a is equal to 5 minus 5 square root 3i, 5 minus 5 square root 3i. This time b is equal to 5 plus 5 square root 3i. It is a nice solution. This is our final answer. This is our final answer in this Maths Olympiad question. Let's check out our question. It will be a plus v is equal to 10 and a b is equal to 100. This is our question. Let's check out. First of all, a plus b is equal to 10. Okay, a is equal to 5 plus 5 square root 3i plus v is equal to 5 minus 5 square root 3i. It will be 10. So okay, now at this moment you can see this cancel out, and 5 plus 5, it will be 10. So I can see a and v is our right answer, but a times b is equal to 100. So how to solve this question? So a, it will be 5 plus 5 root 3i, and v, it will be 5 minus 5 square root 3i is equal to 100. Now at this point, if you think it is a, it is b, it is a, it is b, so you know that a plus b times a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. According to this law, you can see it will be 5 square minus 5 square root 3i whole to the power 2 is equal to 100. Now 5 squared will be 25, but here minus, and it will be 5 square root 3 whole to the power 2 times I square is equal to 100. Now you can see here is 25 and I square. You know that I is equal to square root minus 1, but if I use both side whole square, then I square it will be negative 1. Yes, I square it will be negative 1. So negative 1 times 1 minus, so I can say here is I square it will be negative 1. I take this negative 1 here, 5 to the power 2, it will be 25, and square root 3 power 2, it will be 3 is equal to 100. Now at this moment you can see here is 25 minus minus, it will be plus 3 times 25, it will be 75 is equal to 100. Now you can see it will be 100 is equal to 100. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.